Hello guys, in this video I'll show you how you can fix and install apps on Samsung Smart TV because App Store was in this list here and now is missing. So basically they changed the settings and now there is different way how you can find the apps. So the first thing what you need to do here, you need to be on the app section like I'm here right now, and then you need to scroll all the way down until you see genre, right? And then you can sort out by video, sports, game, lifestyle, and more. And then you will see the apps here by genre, right? Also, if you want to look for a specific app, then you need to go to left to a search button here, press on it, and then let's see, I want to find Netflix. So I just need to go and search, and here I need to just look for Netflix, right? So let's quickly look. Netflix, right? And if you know the name of the app, you can always search here and then you can install it, right? So yeah, that's basically it. And if I help you out, please press like and subscribe for more. Take care. Bye.